Welcome to the heart of chocolate creation, where precision meets passion, transforming humble beans into exquisite treats. Our journey begins with the arrival of the finest cocoa beans, carefully selected from sustainable farms worldwide.
Each bean undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the highest quality raw materials enter our refined process.
From inspection, the beans are gently loaded into hoppers, beginning their transformation journey with precision.
Initial cleaning meticulously removes any impurities, ensuring only pure cocoa beans continue to the next stage.
Perfectly cleaned, the cocoa beans now embark on their journey through the meticulous roasting and grinding stages. The beans enter the roaster, where controlled heat awakens their complex flavors and rich, aromatic compounds. Within the roaster, each bean undergoes a mesmerizing transformation, developing its signature deep, rich chocolate essence. Skilled technicians meticulously monitor every variable, ensuring each batch achieves perfect roasting consistency and flavor. Once perfectly roasted, the fragrant beans are swiftly moved to cooling, preserving their rich, complex flavor profiles. On the cooling belt, a gentle air current rapidly cools the beans, halting the roasting and locking in flavor.
Next, winnowing carefully separates the outer shells, revealing the pure, fragrant cocoa nibs, essential for chocolate.
The pure cocoa nibs are then fed into powerful grinders, beginning their transformation into rich, liquid cocoa liquor. From the grinder emerges pure cocoa liquor, the thick, dark, and intensely aromatic essence of chocolate. In vast mixers, cocoa liquor, sugar, and milk powder unite, forming the foundational blend of our exquisite chocolate. Conching, a slow, meticulous process, refines the chocolate, creating its signature smooth texture and depth of flavor. Within the conche, the chocolate transforms into a velvety liquid, its texture refined to perfection, ready for tempering.
Tempering is crucial. Precise heating and cooling give chocolate its perfect snap, luxurious sheen, and smooth melt.
Perfectly tempered chocolate flows flawlessly into waiting molds, each cavity precisely filled, ensuring a pristine finish.
The filled molds journey into specialized cooling tunnels, where the chocolate slowly solidifies to perfection.
Emerging from cooling, the perfectly solidified chocolate bars are gently released, ready for their final packaging.
Each chocolate bar undergoes stringent quality control, meticulously inspected for perfection in appearance and snap.
Now, the bars enter the primary wrapping stage, where automated precision gently seals them in luxurious gold foil.
Robotic arms meticulously fold and seal the foil, creating an airtight, protective embrace for each exquisite chocolate bar. Wrapped in gold, the chocolate bars proceed to secondary packaging, where elegant paper sleeves await their arrival. A robotic arm delicately places each bar into its elegant, branded paper sleeve, signifying premium quality.
Fully packaged, these exquisite chocolate bars move towards their final destination, ready to delight connoisseurs. Automated systems meticulously stack the bars into elegant display boxes, ensuring perfect presentation for retail.
A final meticulous inspection ensures every display box meets our impeccable standards of presentation and quality.
From our factory, these perfectly packaged chocolates are ready to embark on their journey to delighted customers worldwide.
The final stage. Our meticulously crafted chocolates are loaded onto a pristine truck, beginning their journey to you.
As our truck departs, it carries the culmination of dedication and passion.
The journey begins with this humble cocoa bean, a tiny marvel holding immense flavor potential.
Each bean undergoes meticulous hand sorting, ensuring only the purest, highest quality beans continue forward. Cleaned beans are stored in vast, temperature-controlled silos, awaiting their precise moment for processing. From storage, beans enter the preheater, a gentle warming stage essential for optimal flavor development during roasting.
Inside the preheater, beans gently tumble, gradually warming, preparing them for the intense flavor development ahead.
Seamlessly, the warmed beans transition from preheater to roaster, ready for their critical flavor transformation.
Within our vast roasting room, multiple roasters meticulously transform beans, orchestrating the symphony of rich chocolate flavor. Advanced control panels allow technicians to precisely monitor and adjust roasting parameters for optimal flavor development. Each chocolate bar undergoes stringent quality control, meticulously inspected for perfection in appearance and snap. A precise snap test confirms the perfect roast, revealing the bean's rich, dark, and exquisitely aromatic interior. On the cooling belt, the roasted beans are rapidly chilled, halting the process and preserving their peak flavor. Wrapped in gold, the chocolate bars proceed to secondary packaging, where elegant paper sleeves await their arrival.
A robotic arm delicately places each bar into its elegant, branded paper sleeve, signifying premium quality.
Traditional stone grinders slowly transform the nibs into rich, flowing cocoa liquor, preserving authentic flavor. Within the conche, the chocolate is continuously refined, achieving unparalleled smoothness and depth of flavor. Technicians carefully sample the conching chocolate, ensuring its evolving flavor and texture meet precise standards.
Automated optical inspection meticulously scans each bar, guaranteeing absolute perfection in every detail and surface.
Any bar with even the slightest imperfection is swiftly removed, upholding our uncompromising standards of quality.
As our truck departs, it carries the culmination of dedication, science, and passion, destined for chocolate lovers. The brand's elegant logo is precisely printed, a final touch of luxury, signifying our unwavering commitment to quality.
Each bar is meticulously arranged onto elegant display trays, emphasizing its premium presentation and allure.
Automated robots gracefully stack sealed display boxes onto pallets, ensuring efficient and secure bulk shipment.
A holographic security seal is meticulously applied, ensuring product integrity and peace of mind during transit.
Our temperature-controlled trucks traverse scenic routes, ensuring our chocolates arrive perfectly fresh, worldwide. Behold the culmination, an elegantly packaged chocolate bar, a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship and exquisite taste.
Advanced control panels allow technicians to precisely monitor and adjust roasting parameters for optimal flavor development.
Our journey begins amidst lush cocoa plantations, where vibrant pods ripen under the tropical sun. Experienced farmers meticulously select each ripe cocoa pod, ensuring peak quality and sustainable harvesting practices. Skillful farmers carefully harvest the ripe pods, a timeless tradition ensuring the finest raw ingredients.
The beans ferment in wooden boxes, a natural process that develops their complex flavor precursors.
Within the fermentation boxes, microbial activity transforms the beans, deepening their color and unlocking flavor.
After fermentation, the beans are sun-dried on vast patios, a traditional method preserving their rich essence. Farmers meticulously rake the drying beans, ensuring even exposure to the sun, perfecting their moisture content. Automated optical inspection meticulously scans each bar, guaranteeing absolute perfection in every detail and surface. Within our expansive packaging hall, multiple machines meticulously wrap each chocolate bar, ensuring perfect protection. A final, meticulous cleaning removes any remaining dust, ensuring absolute purity before the roasting process.
Roasted beans enter the pre-breaker, quickly fractured into smaller pieces, optimizing efficiency for grinding.
Three broken nibs move along the conveyor, perfectly prepared for their final transformation into luxurious cocoa liquor. Precise amounts of sugar and milk powder are meticulously added, crafting the perfect balance for our chocolate. Within the 5-roll refiner, the chocolate mass is meticulously smoothed, achieving an unparalleled, silky texture.
A fineness test ensures optimal particle size, guaranteeing our chocolate's signature velvety smooth mouthfeel.
Our expansive conching room houses multiple machines, continuously refining the chocolate for hours, perfecting its flavor.
Hear the satisfying snap, revealing a perfectly tempered bar, a testament to exceptional craftsmanship and quality.
Experience the exquisite melt as the rich chocolate dissolves, coating your palate in pure, velvety bliss.
A robotic dispenser precisely pours tempered chocolate into pre-warmed molds, ensuring flawless, bubble-free bars.
Inside the climate-controlled cooling tunnel, the chocolate slowly solidifies, achieving its perfect snap and luster. Each bar is precisely weighed, guaranteeing consistency and adherence to our rigorous quality specifications. Every chocolate bar passes through a sensitive metal detector, ensuring absolute purity and consumer safety.
The elegant, textured paper sleeves are precisely fed into the machine, preparing for their luxurious chocolate cargo.
New rolls of brilliant gold foil are carefully loaded, ready to envelop our chocolates in luxurious protection.
The journey culminates, a perfectly packaged chocolate bar, a symbol of our dedication, ready for delight. A final branded sticker is meticulously applied, a mark of authenticity and our unwavering commitment to excellence. In our lab, experts meticulously measure moisture content, ensuring each bean meets our stringent quality standards. As dawn breaks, our trucks prepare for departure, carrying the promise of exquisite chocolate to new destinations.
The truck doors securely latch, marking the final departure, carrying our chocolates to eager customers.
As the truck departs, it carries the culmination of our passion, delivering happiness to homes worldwide. In luxury retail, our chocolates stand as beacons of exquisite taste, inviting discerning connoisseurs. As the gold foil slowly peels away, the dark, glossy chocolate bar reveals its flawless, inviting surface.
A moment of pure bliss. Our chocolate delivers unparalleled sensory pleasure.
Adorning gourmet desserts, our chocolate shavings add a touch of elegance, elevating every culinary creation.